Hello, I want you to show the solder smoke direct conversion challenge. So let's first walk through this schematics. So in the beginning we have a bandpass filter for 40 meters. It consists of two transformers and a coupling. Then it goes to a double balanced mixer with simple diodes, an audio deplexer to filter out the HF, and then we have audio out, and the audio out goes to a amplifier with 1, 2, 3 transistors and an output transformer. In the VFO it's I think a Hartley with a JFET to isolate the oscillator from the output, so that the oscillator is not too much loaded. So let's go to the implementation. So here we have the bandpass filter for 40 meters. And we follow the coax. It goes into the mixer, double balance mixer. And the double balance mixer is also excited by a VFO with a variable capacitor. So the original solder smoke challenge is with a coil which is tuned by a brass pen, but I don't have such a device, so I chose for this one. And then it goes to the audio amplifier. So in the beginning you see the diplexer, and then we have the output transformer and the speaker. Now we can tune a little bit. It's not during the daytime, so there's not so much activity on 40 meters. Let's see. So FT8. So the coil is a little bit sensitive. Oh no, it's okay. So it's a nice challenge. So the way I build it is I use some PCBs. Cut some PCBs, cut some strips, and I use these nibbler tonsils to cut strips. And the strips I just solder with a hot air gun to the PCB, and then use like a Dremel drill, cut some stripes in it, so you have solder islands, and it works very well. What is the good way for this, I think, is because you are so close to a large copper surface, so your return paths are good. Sometimes I see people who make like a dead bug style, so with the wires very high from the copper place. I don't think that is really a very good idea, because your return currents, they have to go through the copper plate, and you wanted the return current and the normal current as close as possible to each other. So it will take you a few days to build this, if you have all the stuff in your junk box. So that most of the things I already had. But this is a very fun challenge to do. So hopefully more people will do this. 70 tricks.